back with another video, actually a quick one. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make any folder into a zip file or a compressed zip file, that's what you wanna call it. So first of all, the zip file we are going to make is from this folder. So this is actually a website. um, so first of all, what you need to do is select the file and right click on it. Then you have to look for send to, this option, send to compressed zip folder. Here you have to select this option, compressed zip folder. Now click on it. After clicking on it, the zip file has been created, as you can see. So if you want to extract it, you can like extract file here, as you do with the usual zip and rar files. And here's one thing that you should know, or you should note. Here I'm using WinRAR. So I know this is a quick one, but thank you for watching, and keep connected or keep in touch. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, then smash the subscribe button and like button too. Thank you for watching, and sayonara.